there, spooky friends! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Rachel, and today we're going to talk about something really important as we gear up for Halloween. We're going to discuss some top-notch Halloween safety tips to ensure your night is not only spooky, but safe. Halloween is all about fun, but safety should always come first, especially when you're out and about in the dark, collecting candies and treats. So, let's dive right into our Halloween safety tips. Tip number 1, plan your costume. Make sure your costume is comfortable and easy to move in. If it's dark, add reflective tape or stickers, or carry a flashlight or glow stick to be seen by drivers. Tip number 2, trick or treat with an adult. For our younger trick-or-treaters, it's best to have an adult or responsible older sibling with you. They can help you navigate streets and make sure you're safe. Tip number 3, walk safely. Always use crosswalks and look both ways before crossing the street. Remember, safety is not spooky, it's smart. Tip number 4, check your treats. Before digging into your treats, have a grown-up inspect them to make sure they're safe to eat and haven't been tampered with. Tip number 5, stay in well-lit areas. Stick to well-lit streets and neighborhoods when trick-or-treating. Avoid shortcuts through dark alleys or unfamiliar places. Tip number 6, the buddy system. It's more fun and safer to trick-or-treat with friends or family members. Always stay together and look out for one another. So, my spooky friends, those are our top Halloween safety tips. Remember, Halloween is all about creating magical memories. And with these tips in mind, you can have a fantastic, safe, and spooky night. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more Halloween fun. Have a safe and wonderful Halloween. Until next time, stay spooky. It's Halloween night, and our young adventurers are gearing up for a spooky evening of fun. Let's see how they put our Halloween safety tips into action. Here we have Sarah and Max, along with Max's dad, Mr. Anderson, ready to head out for some trick-or-treating. Their costumes are not only creative but safe too, with reflective materials and bright colors to make them visible to passing cars. They make sure to use crosswalks and always look both ways before crossing the street. Safety first. Remember, always use good manners when collecting treats, just like Sarah and Max. It's not only polite, but also part of staying safe. But wait, what's this? A shortcut through a dark alley? Sarah and Max consider it, but remember our safety rules about staying in well-lit areas. And there you have it, kids. Our young adventurers put our Halloween safety tips into action, from safe costumes to well-lit paths, and making good choices along the way. So, as you embark on your own Halloween adventures, remember these tips to ensure a night full of spooky fun and safety. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more Halloween adventures. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy Halloween! Hey there, little witches and wizards! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Rachel, and today we're embarking on a Halloween learning adventure. Halloween isn't just about costumes and candy. It's a fantastic opportunity for learning, and we're going to explore the magic of this holiday in an educational way. Get ready to dive into the world of Halloween facts, history, and science. We're going to have a spooktacular time. All right, kids, let's start with the history of Halloween. Halloween dates back to ancient Celtic traditions, like Samhain. It was a time to celebrate the harvest and the transition from fall to winter. Now let's talk about costumes. Halloween is all about dressing up, right? But did you know it was believed that costumes could ward off evil spirits? Pretty cool, huh? Now, kids, reading is essential for learning, and there are so many wonderful Halloween books out there. Why not pick up a Halloween book and dive into a world of spooky stories and fascinating facts? Lastly, let's talk about the star of Halloween, pumpkins. Pumpkins aren't just for carving. They're part of a tasty plant family that can be used in many recipes. You can make delicious pumpkin pie, pumpkin soup, or even pumpkin smoothies. Thanks for joining our Halloween learning adventure, kids. Remember, Halloween is more than just a spooky night. It's a time for discovery and fun. Stay curious, keep learning, and of course, have a safe and bewitching Halloween. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more educational adventures.